Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crypto trading bot. First, select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers robust API access for automated trading. Next, familiarize yourself with basic trading strategies such as arbitrage, which profits from price differences, or market making, which provides liquidity. Always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication for your API keys. Finally, decide on a small, manageable portion of your capital, perhaps 5 to 10%, to dedicate to your bot. Now, let's talk about choosing the right bot. Explore different bot platforms, comparing their functionalities, supported exchanges, and subscription costs. It's crucial to pick a strategy that matches your comfort level with risk and your market outlook. Before going live, rigorously backtest your strategy with historical data to ensure its viability. For uninterrupted trading, consider using a cloud-based bot, which operates around the clock without needing your computer to be on. With your bot selected, it's time for configuration and testing. Securely link your bot to your exchange account using the API keys you generated. Carefully define all your trading parameters, such as when to buy, when to sell, and your profit targets. Start with a minimal amount of capital for live testing, perhaps $100, to observe its real-world behavior. Continuously monitor its performance and make small adjustments to optimize its operations. Finally, ongoing monitoring and optimization are key to success. Regularly check your bot's performance reports, analyzing its trades and overall profitability. The crypto market is dynamic, so be prepared to adapt your strategy to new trends and increased volatility. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant downturns. By continuously learning and refining your bot's algorithms, you can enhance its efficiency and achieve better long-term results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.